Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Canal classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about chemical property of alkaline earth metals. Dear students, as you know that alkaline earth metals are belong to second group of the elements, okay, that may be beryllium, magnesium, calcium, barium, radon, etc. Okay, and I want to tell you that the alkaline earth metals are quite reactive due to their low ionization enthalpy and high electron affinity or positive characters. Okay, there are following chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. Okay, number one is reaction with air. Reaction with air. Dear students, the alkaline earth metals react with air and form their metal oxides except barium and radium. Okay, except barium and radium. Okay, समस्त एल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स ऑक्सीजन से क्रिया करके उनके ऑक्साइड्स बनाते हैं बेरियम और रेडियम को छोड़ करके। ऐसा क्यों? बेरियम और रेडियम आर ऑलवेज फॉर्म देयर सुपर ऑक्साइड्स और परऑक्साइड्स। ये क्या करते हैं, इसमें क्या बनाते हैं, उसके परऑक्साइड्स बनाते हैं। ओके, लेट्स बी सी दैट दिस इज द alkaline earth metals that react with air and form metal oxides. This is a metal oxide. Okay, in place of M metal we can take the magnesium metal that undergo reaction and form magnesium oxides. Okay, you can take a next example, that is calcium. It reacts with air and form calcium oxides. Okay, as you know that I already told you that the barium and radium does not form their oxides, they always form their peroxides. So see a barium, it undergo reaction with oxygen and form barium peroxide and radium peroxides. Okay, these are the barium and radium peroxides. Okay, this is the exception. Except barium and radium, all the alkaline earth metals form their metal oxides, but these two form their peroxides. Okay, so I hope that all of you understood that what happens when alkaline earth metals undergo reaction with oxygen or air. Okay, next property is reaction with water. Reaction with water. Dear students, as you know that the alkaline earth metals undergo reaction with water, they form their hydroxide. But I want to tell you the alkaline earth metals are less reactive toward the water. जो alkaline earth metals होते हैं ये water से क्या करते हैं, less reactive होते हैं. Okay, and there are some conditions, that is the magnesium does not react with water, it reacts with hot water. मैग्नीशियम कभी भी वाटर से क्रिया नहीं करता है, क्या करता है, स्टीम या गर्म वाटर से क्रिया करता है एंड फॉर्म मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशियम. Okay, let's be see one by one. Okay, this is a magnesium, this is a water. ये क्या है? स्टीम है. Okay, because magnesium directly does not react with water and it form magnesium hydroxide. Okay, it form magnesium hydroxide and release what? Hydrogen gas. Okay, so you can see that magnesium react with steam, it form magnesium hydroxide and release hydrogen gas. Okay, next is calcium. Calcium directly react with water and form calcium hydroxide as well as release hydrogen gas. Okay, this is a calcium, it undergo reaction with water and release H2 gas. Okay, dear students, the beryllium does not react with water, but the oxide of beryllium undergo reaction with water and form their hydroxides. So you can see that this is a beryllium oxide that undergo reaction with water and form beryllium hydroxide. Understood? I already told you that the beryllium does not react with water, but beryllium oxide react with water or dissolve with water, it form their hydroxides. Okay, as such calcium oxide also react with water and it form calcium hydroxides. Okay, so these are the some chemical reactions of alkaline earth metal react with water. Okay, next is a reaction with halogen. Reaction with halogen. Reaction with halogen. Dear students, as you know that the alkaline earth metals undergo reaction with metal, okay, and form their halides. Overall, you can say that the alkaline earth metal directly react with halogens and form their halides. Let's be see. This is a calcium and this is a halogen. Okay, in place of halogen you can take M plus X2 is equal to MX2 or calcium plus Cl2 is equal to calcium chloride. Okay, X is a halogen. In place of halogen we can take calcium, bromium, we can take chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorines because these are the elements belong to halo groups. Okay, next you can also see that the magnesium oxide also react with hydrochloric acid and form magnesium chloride as well as release water. Okay, आपका मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड क्या करता है? HCl क्रिया करके बना सकता है आपका मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड एंड वाटर. ओके, सो दीज आर दी सम अनदर केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ alkali metals with halogens. Okay, so dear students, the next chemical property of alkaline earth metals is reaction with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide and formation of organometallic compound. compounds. Okay, reaction with alkyl halide and formation of organometallic compounds. Dear students, only two metal are the alkyl earth metal, that is beryllium and magnesium form organometallic compounds. Okay, let's be see. Dear students, when magnesium react with alkyl halide, they form organometallic compound that is called as Grignard reagent. Let's be see. This is a alkyl. This is a alkyl halide. Okay, and your magnesium metal react with this alkyl halide and form RMgX. This is a Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents. Okay, in this is a alkyl group, this is a magnesium metal and this is a halogen. In place of R, we can take CH3, magnesium and bromine. Okay, this is also Grignard reagent. So this is the next chemical property of alkaline earth metals, that is formation of organometallic compounds. Okay, next is a reaction with hydrogens. Dear students, when alkaline earth metals undergo reaction with hydrogen, they form their hydrides. Means what? You can see that except beryllium, all the alkaline earth metals react with hydrogen to form their hydrides. Let's be see. This is a calcium. It reacts with hydrogen and form calcium hydride. Okay, this is a magnesium. It form magnesium hydrides. Okay, next, and you know that these are the undergo heat. Means you can say that when calcium metal is heated, when calcium metal is heated with hydrogen, it form calcium hydride. When magnesium metal is heated with hydrogen, it form magnesium hydrides. So these are the some examples of reaction with hydrogens. Okay, next is a reaction with carbon. Dear students, I want to tell you that when alkaline earth metals undergo reaction with carbon with heating in form of coke, they form their carbides. Okay, for example, this is a calcium, and it undergo reaction with carbon. This is called as coke, and it form calcium carbides. Okay, it form calcium carbides. So I hope that all of you understood that what are the chemical properties of alkaline earth metals and how they treated with different compounds means different they treated what are the treatment of alkaline earth metal with hydrogen, with water, with carbon, with halogen. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.